morning. This is my first day back in Shanghai. I just got off the plane. It was a 20-hour transit flight. It was not easy, but we made it through, and it's a very pretty day. The sun is really gorgeous right now, and I have all these packages ordered from Double 11 from Taobao, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. We're gonna start the small stuff first. I have no idea because it was a month ago when I ordered all these stuff, so I don't remember what I got. Huh. Oh, this is earrings I ordered from the shop that I always go to. This is one of my favorite places to go for earrings. It's called I forgot what it's called, I'm so sorry. It's something 手工, so everything is handmade by their store. Their name is 听下手作. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, wow. These are shapes of people's faces. I thought these are very artsy, very delicate, and very different. Yeah, they're very heavy. Wow. As you see, this is how they look like. They're kind of extra, but I guess I like stuff like this because they're very unique. They're beautifully designed, and I think they're very elegant. So, and besides these pair, I also got these little strawberries with like little pearls on the behind. I think these are very cute, especially for summer. Okay, so that was our first box, and then let's see what this is. 蔡司擦镜纸. This is how I live my life. These are lenses wipes by, I don't know how to pronounce 蔡司 in English, I don't know. But this is absolutely every photographer's must have. This is how you wipe your lenses, and I also use this to wipe my glasses, my computer screen, and my cell phone screen. So this coming very handy. Moving on, we have a little bag here. Oh, hairbands. Oh my god. Look at how much I got. Look at how many hairbands I got. So in our house, because of this one, Dodo right here, he likes to chew on hairbands. So it's like very 消耗品 in my house. So I got a lot of these. I guess honestly I think I can use all of them in a year because I lose it all the time. So yay. Yeah, I think this is Chinese tea. As I mentioned in another vlog, my friend Zach gifted me a lot of tea from Beijing, and because of that I got a teapot. So I'm gonna make tea a lot in the future, and I'm gonna bring a lot of the Chinese tea because it's pretty hard to find Japanese tea. Oh wow! Wow! Taiju! I was watching Rainy's channel, Rainy Tian, and she recommended this. I'm very excited to try this on because Juhua cha is like my favorite kind of tea. Oh my god, I got so many! I got 4 bottles of it. Oh my god, what am I doing? What happened? Oh, I guess I'll leave 2 at home and 2 to the States. And then we have a bag that's already open. Okay, this is kind of ridiculous, but Chicago is very cold, and I like to bathe my feet because that's how you keep your feet warm, and that's how you keep yourself warm. So, in the spirit of bathing feet, I got these 泡脚粉. These are powders you put into the water when you're bathing your feet. Look how many I got. This is so happy. Oh my god, I'm gonna make all of my American friends try these. This is so good. I'm gonna open like a small feet bathing workshop in my dorm or in Lincoln. We're just gonna do it. This is good for people. So how am I gonna get these through customs? And then we have a lot of 眼罩 eye masks. And they are steam mask eye masks, so they're good when your eyes are sore. Holy shit, I got so many of this. Oh, they also gifted 护手霜, like hand cream. Wow, Meyers is doing a lot of advertising. Okay, so many hand cream. I'm gonna gift some of these to my friends. Okay, next we have this really large. 上面写的是全棉时代，我希望它不要都是全棉时代，那就很搞笑了。Oh my god, please don't. Oh my god. No way. 不会吧，全。I'm kind of ashamed to open this. This is all cotton pads from 全棉时代。Why did I get so many? Wait, more? I can't even open this. Guess who got all the cotton pads they need for their lifetime? I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing. I am kind of questioning what's going on here when I was purchasing all these stuff, but it's all good. It's all good. Have a nice break wherever you are. Happy holidays to you all, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.